Hi, it's Professor Jerimiah and Coach Krystal with Odyssey Martial Arts, and we're going over a knee on belly escape. It's good for no-gi. We have this vertical position. So, as a demonstration, I'll go over some of the details. Knee on belly, obviously an uncomfortable position. I don't want to be pushing, leaving space for an underhook. I have to keep this tight. I'm going to make sure I have both of my arms tight, and as I bump them forward with my knee, I'm going to push and then turn, so I'll be right here behind the leg. I can also bridge, bump, push, helping get their knee to the ground. From here, I immediately roll, turning so that I can drop onto the leg. The biggest part about finishing this single leg is not holding with my arms, but using shoulder pressure in the back of the hamstring so that they can't come up. From here, I slide my hand down to the ankle, shelf the ankle onto my hip, and then switch hands so that I'm going to be able to get more grips. So, holding tight, I can go ankle, I can go knee, climb myself up as I drive in, pull. I've now gone from knee on belly to top position, side control, mount back. There's a number of different finishes. That's just one. Focus mainly on the knee on belly escape.